Are you in the food industry and looking for a reliable solution to remove iron contaminants? Introducing the super strong 14,000 Gauss rod magnets from Sinoneo Magnets. These high-performance neodymium magnets are specifically designed for the food industry, ensuring product quality and safety. With a magnetic strength of 14,000 Gauss, these rods effectively capture even the smallest ferrous particles. Made with corrosion-resistant materials, these magnets can withstand the harsh conditions of the food industry, providing a prolonged service life. Their high hardness guarantees exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear. Sinoneo Magnets is committed to customer satisfaction and offers customized magnetic solutions to meet your unique needs. Our team of experts is always ready to assist you in selecting the right magnetic solution for your application. Don't settle for less when you can have it all. Elevate your business with the super strong 14,000 Gauss rod magnets from Sinoneo Magnets. Visit our website at www.sinoneo.com to learn more and request a customized quote. Take the first step towards a cleaner and safer food industry today. Visit www.sinoneo.com and get your super strong 14,000 Gauss rod magnets now.